How to use Image Creator and Microsoft Designer in Edge to generate AI images. Image Creator is a feature in Bing and Microsoft Edge that lets you generate AI images based on your text prompts. You can use it to create social media posts, invitations, graphics, and more. Microsoft Designer is a graphic design app in Microsoft 365 that helps you create stunning designs with templates, fonts, colors, and images. You can use it to make flyers, logos, banners, and more. To use Image Creator and Microsoft Designer in Edge, you need to follow these steps. Make sure you have a Microsoft account and you are signed into Edge at https://www.bing.com/create. Turn on Image Creator in the Edge sidebar by selecting the plus icon and choose the toggle for Image Creator. This adds Image Creator to the sidebar superscript 1. To use Image Creator, select the Image Creator icon in the sidebar or right-click on any input area that supports image insertion. A pane on the right side of the page will open. Experience superscript 1. To use Microsoft Designer, select the Microsoft Designer icon in the sidebar or right-click on any input area that supports design insertion. A pane on the right side of the page will open with the Microsoft Designer Experience superscript 2. Enter your text prompt for Image Creator or choose a template for Microsoft Designer. You can also customize your design with fonts, colors, images, and more superscript 1 superscript 2. Once you are happy with your image or design, you can copy and paste it into your document, email, social media post, or any other destination. I hope this helps you use Image